Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Mike here from teamhiraadv. So today video I'm doing an apple pie and I bought 2 Guinea board. So I'm gonna do that today. I said I'm gonna do it for the holiday. Well, I sold out. I went yesterday to the chicken farm they had, so I bought 2. So I'll show you what that look like. I'll season it. I'm gonna do a Cassareep style Guinea board. And I'll show you the apple pie I make. I have the apple, I have the pre-baked crust I bought from the key food. But you can make your own crust, it's not hard. I make it a little easier, I just buy the crust. So guys, let me show you the ingredients I have for the apple pie. So here's the apple here. You can use, I don't know, you want 7, 8, 9, you can use 9. Now you have like, let me see, 3, 6, I have 7 golden red apple here. 1/2 cup granulated sugar. 1/2 cup brown sugar. I know most people use 1 cup each, but that got too kind of sweet. We don't want it so sweet. I have a teaspoon of lemon juice, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of mutton egg, allspice. I have a 1/4 teaspoon of allspice, and I have here the cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and cardamom. I have 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom over here. And then we have butter, or we can put the butter on the apple before we bake it. We can put the butter on the apple before we bake the pie. And this is the crust I have. I used this before. It's very nice, beautiful crust. So I'm using this with 2 in here. And this is the Guinea board here. 2 Guinea board here. So we get our Cassareep style with this. So we can put this on, and then in the meantime this cooking, then we go work on the apple pie. So let's get seasoning. We can start the seasoning the Guinea board. Look guys, that's the Guinea board I went into the farm yesterday. That's the Guinea board. 2 of them I picked up yesterday. Alright guys, so we can start the seasoning the Guinea board. First we can put some salt. And as we cook along, we can taste the salt. So I'm using Himalayan salt. Now we can check back the salt a little later on. I will put a little of this wing sauce. Make it a little spicy. Sesame oil. Oh, we have a next bottle here. Guys, I'm not measuring, I'm just averaging. I'm about a tablespoon. About a tablespoon of all the seasoning here. Soy sauce. Worcestershire sauce. Everything to this one. Teriyaki sauce. More seasoning you use, more flavor, right? Tastes more better. We have garlic powder. Garlic is good, so we use a lot extra garlic. The garlic is good for you. I have some spice seasoning here. I'll put it to this. Some cayenne pepper. The powder ground pepper. Alright, so we go mix this up. Using a spoon. I have some grind seasoning here. Add some of this. again. Guys, on this Guinea board, the meat is a little red for the chicken. That's how it look there now. I just seasoned it there. I have the oil is on there, and I also have a red onion. I got put this in first, caramelize that, and then we go wrap the meat in. So you can put the onion in. So we caramelize the onion and then we drop the meat inside. Alright guys, so I just dropped the Guinea board, the Cassareep, so we got this cooked. And when it's cooked real good, bunge real good with that, then we add some water, boil it real good, then we throw the Cassareep and then cook it down. In the meantime, we work on the apple pie. Alright guys, so I have all the apple peel. So I just slice it now with my slicer. And you guys know I use this to slice the apple. Take out the core. Look. Really good slicer. Core the apple out and slice it at the same time. Okay, so I have all the apple cut up here. So what we gonna do? We got everything, so all the ingredients I have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 9 ingredients here. Plus we have to put the butter later. Now I'm using lemon juice, so the apple don't change the color too much, because you can use cornstarch also. I avoid it to make it too runny, but I don't have any cornstarch right now. So you add the brown sugar, the granulated sugar, all the rest spice. Because a lot of people use, some people use 9 ingredients, 10 ingredients, 11 ingredients. So you put a lemon juice. So you can mix this up. Alright, so that's good there. You cover this up here and let it sit for hour, 1 hour. So that's the Guinea board cooking there. I'm gonna add a little more, I'll add some water in a couple of minutes, like dry down a little more, then add some water into it. Let it boil. Once it boils, then we add some more, check the salt out, then we add our Cassareep, a little more spice, and then make sure it look like. So that's our 2 Guinea board cooking here. Alright guys, so I just add a little water inside the Guinea board. So we let that cook down a little, and then we add the Cassareep. The meat start gets soft already. You let it boil down a little, and then we got the Cassareep inside. Check back the salt and everything. Alright guys, the Guinea board look good here. So I'm gonna put a little Cassareep now. Not too much. That should go there. Store. So that's it. What it look like here. And Guinea board look good there, man, look. And its meat is soft and nice. It's not hard. So we're gonna let it dry down a little more, and this is done. I just tasted the salt is very good. We got the Canadian do a taste test on the Guinea board. How it is?
Okay, Guinea board. First time eating Guinea board, my brother. Lack of Guinea board.
Taste and I know the salt, how it is. You need more salt and thing.
No, it's good. No, you want more salt.
The salt good?
Yeah.
Spicy good, you want more pepper and thing?
Mm-mm.
Alright guys, so that's the
I
Guinea
think
board.
it's done.
Yeah, I'm gonna take them off now.
Yeah. It is good.
So the Guinea board finished there. I just shut the stove off. I'll empty it from there now. And that's our Cassareep Guinea board. Alright, so I just empty the Guinea board in here. And over here, 3 layers. 3 hard fowl. The layers, 3 for $15, $5 each. So there's 3 hard fowl in there, 3 layers. I cooked that. My wife cooked that earlier. She made that earlier. We got a fresh from the farm yesterday. And the Guinea board also fresh from the farm yesterday. Alright guys, so we're going to pour our filling in the apple, the crust. Alright, so what we're going to do, we're going to take a little water, rub it around the edge to seal it. So I have our next crust for the top. So I put my finger to the bottom one. You can cut it in a strip and then make design. But I'm not doing that. We're gonna make one cut there, one cut there. Or egg wash. So you bake this until you get nice and golden brown. The next thing you could have been done, before we put the top, you could put some butter at the top there if you want. But I didn't put any butter. So but you can put butter at the top before you put the top crust on. Alright, so just ready to go in the oven. Bake it until, until you get nice and golden brown. Alright, here you go. So in the oven, when I finish, I will show you what it looks like. Alright guys, so the apple pie just finished. Take out the oven. So that's the apple pie right there. We got to let it cool long, then we cut into it later on. So that's my version of apple pie, guys. Everybody make it different. Give it a try. Nice and crunchy. So we let it cool long and then we cut into it later on. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this recipe with me today. The little cooking with the apple pie and the 2 Guinea board. I showed the Guinea board. I Cassareep the Guinea board. Hope you enjoyed this video today, me guys, this cooking video. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you back in the next one. Good night, everyone. See you back soon in the next video.